Okay, we're going to install a EL positioner today. I'll take the top port plugs out. I'll take our carrier plate screws out. Or loose. Going to fill out just like that. Well, you don't break the strap. We have our O-rings installed. Okay, I put the actuator in the center of its throw, and right here on this carrier plate assembly you can see there's little increments right here. Right here's a little arrow. We're going to put that right in the middle of its throw also. That way if it's going clockwise or anti-clockwise, it doesn't matter. It's going to be right in the middle of the throw, and then that way it'll go correctly. You can't put it on where it'll accidentally break your little strap or have it on one side or have it on wrong. So we just push that down. Sometimes this adjustment may be a little bit too tight for the coupling to go down the shaft, so you may have to loosen it off a little bit, but that one there was just fine. What I do is just barely snug that just a little bit, not a whole lot, because I want the whole assembly to go kindly down together and smoothly. If you have feedback on here, you want to make sure that you have an extra set of wires here. You want to make sure you don't get your wires cut or caught. And kind of just snug this down here. Just a little snug there. I want to go on down with the shaft. Go ahead and tighten her up. Give it a good snug fit. I'll just come back and re-snug all these bolts here. Alrighty, let's put your little cap back on there. Put your servo wires in. Alright, there you go. It's been mounted. Now we're going to go ahead and calibrate it. Of course, if you're clockwise, put your little C right here at the corner, or if you're anti-clockwise, then like we are today, we just leave it just like it came from the factory. What I want to do is I'm just going to plug this in to make it go all the way closed. That way it's all the way closed. I go ahead and disconnect the air again, just for the time being. Then we're going to turn on our source box. Go ahead and hook up our power. Red lead or your positive lead is going to go to the yellow wire. Further is inboard wire. Of course, then your negative lead is going to go to to the blue wire. Okay, then you turn your source box on. Usually I give it a little bit of amperage right there. And then you push your set and up buttons both at the same time. That's going to make a little red light come on. Then push your up button until you have a pot light come on. And I don't know if you can see it from there, but anyway, it's blinking right now. If it wouldn't be blinking, what you would do is you would loosen these two little bolts here on this pot, and you would turn it, and you just barely turn it just a little bit until it starts blinking. And this is going to be all in the closed position. So right now it's blinking, so I'm going to snug it down a little bit right there. Usually snug it, alternate back and forth, that way it kind of goes down to straight, because if you tighten it all on one side, it'll go to cock, it'll kind of like cock over one side, and then it won't be blinking. Okay, so now we're going to hook up our air. It's going to open up a little bit. Then you're going to press your set and up buttons together one more time, and then it's going to start its calibration. It's going to go all the way open, and then it'll come closed. At the same time, the pot light's blinking while it's in its calibration mode. And it's gone back to the original position where I started at there. So now you can just increase your signal, and she's going right up to the end and back down. There you go. You're ready to go. Turn it off. Remove your air. Remove your leads. Put it right at 0. Put it right there, and you're all ready to go. Thank you.